It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood to see Tesla stock die. I'm so happy. Ride along. Oh, I love it. Oh, baby. I can't get enough of this. It feels so good. Ooh, every clown stock, every single one that I have called has collapsed. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance, everybody. Did you know Tesla stock was down 58%? Let me make sure I'm live. Okay, that's right. Tesla's down 58%. We're going to talk about two men. There are two men that I want to address in this video. One is a honest man that looks at the data and calls things as they are. He doesn't get swept up in hype and degeneracy and stock pumping. He looks at the data and says, this makes sense. This valuation makes sense, or it doesn't. And no matter how much pressure he comes under from shills and stock pumpers, he sticks to his guns. And then there's another man, a freaking real estate investor who thinks he's a genius because he bought an unprofitable car company that pumps Tesla to the moon, that says it's going to be a $10 trillion company, that believes everything Clown Elon Muskrat says. And this clown charges a Patreon where he puts his Tesla projections behind a paywall. These are the two men. Who are they? Well, the first one is this absolute Chad T, named Gordon Johnson. He's an analyst, and I guess he's like the CEO and founder of GLJ Gordon L. Johnson Research. He's been very, very critical of Tesla stock. And the only reason I even know about this dude, number one, is because he's been crapping on Tesla. And number two, he gets crapped on all the time by the other man we're going to talk about, Stephen Mark Ryan, solving the money problem, or as I like to call him, solving the truck stop problem. This channel is one of the most disgusting things on YouTube. All Steve and Mark Ryan did is shill Tesla stock the last 2 years. And he basically said it's going to the moon. It's going to keep going up and up and up. And all you have to do is buy Tesla stock. And it just goes up and up. And Elon Musk is perfect. And nothing could possibly go wrong. And now that the stock is absolutely collapsing, what's he doing? He's trying to reassure his fans, oh, it's going to be okay. Tesla's going to be a $10 trillion market cap in no time. Please keep watching my videos. Please keep paying for my Patreon. Please believe me, guys. This guy is a massive grifter because he has his Patreon. He wants you to, oh my God. He's increased his prices. Oh God. He charges from $10 a month to $420 a month. So you can see a Tesla valuation model. And I can guarantee his valuation model, I'm not paying this freaking incompetent, disgusting, grifting scammer a dime. I can guarantee you he probably has Tesla being a $10 trillion market cap for his bear case in the next probably 5 to 7 years. I 100% guarantee. He takes an Excel sheet probably, puts in some insane assumptions, and then puts it behind a paywall. Man, I chose the wrong freaking career, didn't I? Why am I doing accounting when I can just put an insane projection behind a paywall and grift a stock that went up a lot? See, here's how stupid solving the money problem is. He thinks because a stock went up a lot in the short term that he's right. And oh my God, Tesla's up 443% in the last 5 years. That's outperformed a lot of things, right? Well, listen here, ladies and gentlemen. Listen here, bucko. You know ARK ETF? Everybody was talking about how amazing that was. And people used to laugh at me. They used to make fun of me because they said ARK has massively outperformed VT. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Over the past 5 years, VT has outperformed ARK. That's right. And it's entirely possible that VT is going to outperform Tesla. You call me crazy now. I'm telling you, this massive bubble can deflate. But let's go look at some data, because apparently all Tesla shills talk about, including this freaking loser right here, this virgin loser who makes fun of Gordon Johnson all the time, who I respect because at least he sticks to his freaking guns. When he sees a spade, he calls a spade a spade. He thinks Tesla is a massively overvalued bubble led by an incompetent clown named Clown Elon Muskrat, and he sticks to his guns. You can't help but respect that. And when he gets proven right by Tesla with the stock absolutely collapsing for a host of reasons, you got to give the guy a hand, okay? I respect him because it is much harder to criticize a clown stock when it's going up than when it's going down. And I know if you watch this video, you're going to come on here and you're going to say, oh, strong man, you're just making fun of Tesla because it went down. No, bussies. I was making fun of Tesla when it was going up. So you can get on your knees and do you know what? Huh? Yeah. Anyway, let's go look at some data because you Tesla shills, you're always about, 50% growth rates, 50% growth rates. It's all about the growth rate. Yeah, that's a future projection, okay? Tesla's a luxury car company. But what I like to do is compare market cap to market cap. So we can see right here, I made this little chart. I pulled this data from this website. This thing's actually pretty cool. It's companiesmarketcap.com/automakers. It's actually really, really good. I pulled the market caps of all the auto manufacturers, all right? And Tesla has massively come down. I remember pulling this data before, and Tesla's market cap was like $1 trillion. And this line on the far left, which you see right here, this is Tesla's line. This thing was like insanely above all the other car companies. I was like, yeah, that's not a bubble. So we can see the next largest car companies, half the size, Toyota, and then we have BYD, which I hear is crushing Tesla in China, Porsche, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, General Motors, blah, 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 blah. Tesla has massively come down. But here's the funny thing. Tesla is still twice as large as Toyota, right? And then we go down, and I have this trailing 12 months earning chart because everybody always says, oh, what about the earnings, guys? Oh, look who has the most earnings trailing 12 months. Toyota. Look what has half the earnings of Toyota trailing 12 months. Tesla, my Esla. And what do you think's going to happen if Tesla keeps slashing prices, and they're going to start advertising, apparently? That's going to hurt the bottom line profit. But we can clearly see Toyota has double the earnings, trailing 12-month earnings of Tesla, and Tesla has double the market cap of Toyota. So you think Tesla can't continue to go down way more? It can, because what's going to happen is if that 50% revenue growth rate story dies off and that amazing margin story dies off, Tesla's going to be in trouble, and it's going to go down a lot more than you think it's going to go down. And we can go back and look at the operating margin. So here's the companies ranked by operating margin, right? So the number one with the highest operating margin trailing 12 months is Ferrari. It's another luxury car company, right? BMW, luxury cars. Tesla, luxury cars, okay? Everybody talks about Tesla's luxury cars, their margins. Yes, it's a luxury car company. Duh. And it's not even impressive when you compare it to Ferrari or BMW. Tesla is a joke. It is an absolute joke clown stock of a company. This stock needs to die. And idiots like this, virgin losers like this, who the entire purpose of their channel is to pump Tesla over and over. Tesla. They need to go away. Can you imagine how many people have invested in Tesla because of this freaking loser right here with this 254,000 subscribers? Oh, here's millions of dollars. Oh, you tell people to put all your money in one stock. Oh, or you encourage them. Oh, here's money. Here's wealth. Here's fame. Oh, he screwed people. And if you had not listened to him and instead listened to this absolute unit Chad, Gordon Johnson, you might have actually not lost a crap ton of money. Because I guarantee you, most of you freaking clowns bought Tesla somewhere up here because it went up a lot. It went up. So it went up. So I bought the stock and it's going to keep going up. Duh, duh. That's you. Yeah. What a freaking joke. Anyway, props to you, Gordon Johnson. Good job. Took a lot of balls to stick to your guns. I respect that. F you solving the money problem. You are a disgusting, scamming, grifting piece of dirt, and you should be banned from YouTube. And your freaking Patreon with your stupid fake model with your fake numbers should be freaking canceled. It should be gone. Gone. Deleted. It's a crime. It's disgusting. All right, let's do some comments. What a great day. This has been a good month. Man, 2022 has been a good year. All the grifters have been absolutely annihilated in 2022. And people like me have just done excellently. You know, we've been killing it. Tesla to $50. I can see it, man. I'm telling you, if they start saying their growth rates aren't going to be what they are, they're done, son. Tesla, my Tesla. Becoming a grifter pays. Oh, it pays big. Solving the money problem is making bank. He's making bank. Hopefully he didn't spend all his money. If he did, then he's going to be in trouble when Tesla implodes. Grifters getting their cheeks clapped. It's Jack's cheeks. It's true, man. They're getting absolutely annihilated. Was thinking you should do another one on solving the money problem. Or Stephen Mark. Oh, yeah. I'm going to keep covering him. Don't worry. I can't wait to see his copium videos. Oh, this is a temporary, guys. Trust me. Keep buying the dip. Tesla's going to be $10 trillion market cap in 5 years. Trust me. Gordon Johnson, it's the short sellers, guys. Yeah. If inflation continues, we might all be worth 10 trillion. That's true. If there's a ton of inflation, okay, maybe he'll be right. Not solving the money problem, though, is he LOL. He's a know-it-all and thinking his subscribers for limit. He is. He just talks about Tesla. Like, how stupid can you be to base your channel on one stock? One stock. See, my channel is based on VT, but VT is always going to be there, and it's probably going to do good. It's every freaking stock in the world. This clown just talks about Tesla. That's it. And he talks about Twitter, too, because his idol, Clown Elon Muskrat, an incompetent clown, bought Twitter. So now all of a sudden he's all about Twitter and free speech. It's so stupid. WTF, charge people to talk about Tesla? Yeah, he's charging for that stupid model. Like, I have a model that, you know, kind of, it's similar to Everything Money's, right? I could just put that behind a Patreon window wall and charge people $10. Oh, you want to see my my Intel model? You got to pay me $10 a month. And I just like punch in like insane numbers in there. It takes me like 5 seconds, and then I can charge people. It's a grift. 1 trillion just from self. Yeah. Tesla, $100 trillion. Okay. Just remember, out there somewhere, there are people paying Lefebvre $10,000. I want to meet the person that paid him $10,000 or $20,000. 20 grand. Let this thing drop to 50 so I can start buying it. 150 would be interesting. It'd be very interesting. I'm not buying it now. People, oh, it went down a lot, so you can buy it, right? No. I like Toyota. I used to have a Tacoma. It was a great car. Never went to the mechanic. Yeah, gas-powered vehicles are still fine. I have 3 gas-powered vehicles. I don't need to pay double the price for a freaking EV. It's a joke. Kevin is insane if he still buys a private jet after being down this much. For once, Jeremy is right. Yeah, it's a rare moment when Jeremy Lefebvre is right, but I think I agree with you. He is. If Kevin had to sell Tesla stock to buy, he can't afford a jet. He says it because maybe something unexpected happens again. I don't know. I'm a little worried about Kevin. I'm a little worried about him. As if Tattooed Chef wasn't hard enough for Lefebvre. Now his second biggest position is crashing. Dude, his portfolio, I've been saying this, it's going to be horrible how bad that thing is going to be when Tesla keeps going down. He has to be deeply in the red for total long-term returns. But it doesn't matter because he's got a nice hat and a big house by his course. Apparently, Clown Elon Muskrat is going to make me Beast the CEO of make Mr. Beast the CEO of Twitter. Oh my God. Oh, why? Why? Tesla long-term fundamentals are strong. Love your channel, but this video, but yes, sir. Okay, well, how am I in at you? Where's Tesla going to be in 5 years? Really? You think it's going to be $1 trillion company? Come on. Just stop. Hey, Strongman, when are you going to get the Tattooed Chef mug? Oh, I need to do that. I'm going to do that this weekend. It's actually all in my freezer. I just have to cook it and eat it. But it's a huge pain because we have to put the kids to bed, and it's just a pain. It's hard to do a mukbang when you have screaming kids. He solved my money problem. I don't have no money anymore. Can't wait to see what 2023 has in store. Tattooed Chef. I hope so. But then I can't talk about it anymore. Eating a tattooed chef bowl, washing it down with an Oatly and a Planet 13 blunt while trading my Voyager token to my Honest diapers while overseas in a gnat recording myself with my GoPro. Good Lord. If y'all don't know, that's all Lefebvre references. You can make CEO and have no CEO. That's why he was calling himself Chief Twit, so he can run Twitter without being CEO. He's such an idiot. He's all about saving the world, getting rid of greenhouse gases, and then he buys an unprofitable social media site. and he neglects his baby. What a freaking moron. If you listen closely, you can hear the crying of Tesla shills. Oh, I can't wait till it dips under 100 and then 75 and then 50. And they're like, what? No, it's the short sellers. Oh, buy the dip. And it's just going to be so glorious. You know how long I've been waiting for this? It's ever since I've been on freaking YouTube, I've been criticizing Tesla stock. Nobody listens strong, man, because Tesla went up a lot. Tesla needs to drop in half for it to be in line. If it dropped in half, it would probably still be expensive, but it would definitely be interesting to look at. I will say that. Okay. But I'm probably not going to ever buy it. So I saved millions selling Tesla at 900. I'm so, oh my, woo. Good job there, buddy. He's happy other people lose money. I'm happy when grifters lose money. And I'm happy when clowns who criticized me for the last 2 years lose all their money because they kept calling me stupid and a moron because I said, maybe you shouldn't put all your money in one stock. That's probably a massive bubble that's built on hype. And yeah, so if they lose their money, good. I'm laughing. Want to do a mukbang face-off? I don't know if that's a reference or what. This week has been, dude, this whole year has been glorious. This has been a great freaking year. I'm a very happy man. Hey, strong man, greetings. Hello, buddy. Does Ford or GM sell power walls, mega packs, insurance? No, but it doesn't matter, okay? Tesla's revenues are a vast majority from cars. If anyone wants my advice, put all your money in AMC. It's totally going to be worth $60K a share. Yeah, 100%. Tesla futures are already down. I'm laughing at you, Tesla shills. I'm laughing. This is so much fun. I hope you lose all your money. You snooty dicks. Hate you. Lefebvre's comments are all bots. Well, yeah, you have to be a bot to be dumb enough to watch him. Gordon John's track record is beyond garbage. Well, we'll see how it turns out with at least he'll be right on Tesla. What is Tesla's futures? Let's see. It's down 0.3% after hours, according to Robinhood. I mean, that could change. All right, last couple comments. Any thoughts on Lending Club? I hate it. They are extremely cheap, and all of the companies, they appear to have turned the business around following their acquisitions. Well, I have some legacy notes that I invested in, because back in the day, I don't think you can do it anymore. At least I don't think. You could invest in these other people's debt, and then you would get like periodic, principal and interest payments. But it's highly illiquid, and it's very tax inefficient. So you put your money in there, you invest in people's notes. You got to wait freaking years to get your money back because people have to pay off their loans over 3 to 5 years. And some people default, and those are like write-offs. It's just, I don't like it. Actually, I'm taking all my money out of Lending Club slowly. Whenever somebody pays me, I just take it out of Lending Club, put it somewhere else. It's not the thing for me. But hey, it's not the end of the world, I guess. Do you think Jeremy is crying seeing his Tesla stock? No, because he's getting ad revenue. Would you rather have to hire Lefebvre or Stockmo as your financial advisor? Oh, baby. Don't give me those choices, Mom. Can you see Tesla self-driving taking over and becoming a self-driving where people can rid their Teslas out like Uber? I mean, maybe at some point in the future, but there's going to be competition. I mean, it's probably a long way off. I think a lot of margin calls got triggered on Tesla, a lot of leverage. Of course, there's a lot of degeneracy around Tesla. 100%. It's been the biggest clown bubble that was so obvious to me for the past 2 years. This highly expensive car company that sells like meme luxury cars was trading at over $1 trillion market cap. And I remember Tesla went up like 10% one day because they had a supposed deal with Hertz. It's like, this is going to push the stock up 10% and add like 100 billion of market cap because they said they signed a deal with Hertz, or they may have a deal with Hertz. This is obviously a bubble. This is insane. And now the chickens are coming home to roost. Don't bet against Elon. He's going to say, yeah, he's going to save the world. Oh, my God. He's fighting the fight on Twitter, tweeting people. Let's see. I hope those idiots, everything might do a reaction video to you. Should be fun. They're not going to do it. They don't want to promote me. Honest, my bond, it's the future. Where's the Cybertruck? You'll see it in like 2050. Me, Kevin is setting himself up for financial destruction. Yeah, he'll go bailed out by YouTube. Don't worry about it. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once more, congratulations, Gordon Johnson. I'm proud of you for sticking to your guns. Stephen Mark Ryan is scum of the freaking earth. Cheers.